The focus of the Sterling Heights Nature Center, actually our mission, is to bring Michigan animals to the fore, to let people see what we live with right here in southeast Michigan. We try to have animals that are alive. We focus on fish. We focus on amphibians and reptiles. So basically that's what we have. We do have the one lizard that is a native to Michigan. That's the five-line skink. So we're real proud of having the only lizard that is in Michigan. We're proud of having the only lizard. Along with our live animals, we have animal mounts. They're also Michigan. Everything in here is Michigan, reminding you. But we have animal mounts, some that can be touched. Most of what we have for touching are furs and bones and turtle shells. We have beaver chews. And among that, there are many other things to come in. Our Nature Center, our focus is to engage all ages. You can bring kids from toddlerhood all the way through to 99. We call those kids too, and everybody enjoys it here. In addition to providing an engaging experience for any visitor coming, we have educational programs as well. We do preschool programs, fall, winter, and spring, and then we focus on the school-age kids during the summer and provide programming then as well. We do many, many school field trips, and we have repeaters who have come for over 25 years. So we are very proud of that. We have a great staff and a great program.